In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes for Airbnb. If you earn money through Airbnb, it's important to organize everything clearly before you file. Start by going to Airbnb or opening the Airbnb app, then log in and review your earnings for the tax year. Take some time here and download any available earnings, summaries, and tax documents. This gives you a reliable starting point and helps you avoid missing income when it's time to report everything. Next, check whether Airbnb has provided any tax forms for your account. Depending on your country and how much you earned, you may receive forms such as a 1099 in the United States. Review any forms carefully and compare them with your own records. This is a good habit because platform-issued forms do not always tell the full story on their own, and you want to make sure the numbers match what you actually received. After that, calculate your total rental income. Add up all the money connected to your Airbnb bookings, not just the nightly rate. Be sure to include cleaning fees, additional guest fees, and any other payments related to your rental activity. The goal here is to capture the full amount of income associated with hosting, so your reporting is complete and accurate. Once your income is clear, move on to your deductible expenses. Gather records for anything that may reduce your taxable amount. Common examples include cleaning and maintenance, utilities, internet service, supplies for guests, insurance, Airbnb service fees, and repairs or maintenance costs. It's helpful to use statements, receipts, or transaction histories so your records are easy to reference later if needed. The next step is determining your tax classification. This part matters because the way you report Airbnb income can vary based on your country's tax rules and whether your activity is treated as a rental business, self-employment, or occasional rental income. Understanding this classification helps ensure you're using the correct approach when filling out your return. With that in place, complete your tax return by entering your rental income and eligible expenses on the appropriate forms required by your tax authority. Take your time during this step so the figures are entered correctly and consistently. Finally, submit your tax return by the applicable deadline and pay any taxes you owe. Filing on time helps you avoid penalties and keeps your Airbnb income reporting in good standing. If your situation is more complex, it can also be helpful to double-check local rules before submitting.